When you look at what's happening in Macau, and we've seen this across all the guys that have reported, you've seen a slowdown in the VIP business, and people are starting to get increasingly worried about that. But corresponding on the other side to that, you've actually seen a pickup in the mass market business. Mass market continues to grow really well. So if you actually look through the commentary of a lot of these players, what you're actually seeing is a shift from premium players into that mass market category. And what we've seen through the process of the first half results for all of the operators, including MPEL, which is the Crown business, is that the market's bought back their assumptions for growth in Macau. And you're now looking, at the start of the year, you're looking at 15% growth assumptions in terms of gross gaming revenue. They've scaled that back to mid-single digits. So when we look at a lot of these businesses in Macau and we think about the growth profile over a longer period of time, you've got the next round of capacity coming on between 2016 and 2017. We think they're basically trading a lot of these businesses now, kind of ex-growth multiples. SJM is one that we own in the portfolio. That's trading at 12 times 2014 earnings, which we think is a kind of a low growth multiple for a casino business. But then you forget about the fact that 25% of its market cap is sitting on its balance sheet and it's paying 6% dividends. So we're still fairly comfortable with the outlook for Macau, and when we look through that for the Crown business, one of the businesses that we look at within that Crown portfolio is definitely, that we're positive on, is definitely the Macau operations. When you look at Crown now, it's becoming it's becoming an international business. If you look at what Jamie's trying to do over in the US, you look at the Philippines business that they have, you look at the Macau business that they have. So it's definitely becoming a truly global business, and I think that's how people really need to think about Crown. And I think the market does think that way, because if you compare the Crown business and the prospects for the Crown business, they're far superior to the prospects of an Echo Entertainment. And it's because they've got the ability to expand new facilities. They run very, very good facilities. Their Melbourne property, their Burswood property here in Australia, fantastic. But they've got leg room to actually grow new facilities and grow existing ones. And that's probably where they stand out in the Aussie market in terms of their growth profile.